Some new immigration laws are going into effect that could get you deported even if you're a permanent resident.
They mainly center on tax returns. NBC2 chief political reporter Dave Elias details some of the mistakes.
Well, the USCIS office has some new rules that are going into effect in 2020, and not knowing what they are could get someone with a green card kicked out of the country for good.
It's a beautiful country. We're very happy to be Americans right now.
Andrea Trellis, her husband, and her 7 children
Once-in-a-life opportunity.
became American citizens today.
It feels great.
Excited?
Yeah.
To no longer be green card holders at risk of being deported.
Yes, I've seen mistakes being held against people.
She's talking about the new USCIS laws, not admitting you're an immigrant on your tax return or failing to report some of your income can get you deported. Now, if you're a young man between the ages of 18 and 25 and you hold a green card, not registering with Selective Services could get you deported.
These are all reasons for denial of citizenship, denial of green cards, and abandonment of green card.
Even a vacation overseas could now cost someone their green card.
So something like a prolonged visit overseas can have such a big impact on someone's life. So absolutely, I'm warning folks about these things.
Some are no longer willing to take the chances and instead becoming U.S. citizens to avoid deportation.
She always was living here. I was born in New Jersey, so she's always been with us. It was just, taking her to that step to get there.
The U.S. government is cracking down.
Unfortunately, a mistake is not a valid answer or a valid reason for, okay, we'll let it slide.
Now, attorney Indira DeMine tells me that right now getting a green card is more difficult than it has been in the past, and she says it is important not to make any mistakes. In Fort Myers, Dave Elias, NBC2.